So going to the details, he has a 2006 Nissan Altima 2.5's Special Edition walled 4 American base XFL 15s on 2 cab 2000s strapped at half ohm each with a 250 amp alternator, 70 amp hours of AGM under the hood with the big 3 and all 0 gauge wiring, 32 amp hours of headway bank in the back as you just saw, as well as a Pioneer MH300BT head unit. The tablet installed as well, as you can see, with the head unit source, 2 Rockford Fosgate 6x9s, custom boxes you'll see in a minute as well behind the seat, with 4 6.5s in the doors, 4 1-inch Dom tweeds as well, with 2 compression horns, custom made with the kick panels as well. And last thing I mentioned from Fred Smith, he said, is the walled specs is 16.33 feet cubes gross, 13.05 net, tuned to 32 hertz, plays really well between 24 hertz to 65 hertz, and it peaks around 40 to 44 hertz. So there y'all go. Enjoy the demo in a minute.
name is Richard. I got a 25 watts deck here, pushing 210 panel, one hard line and a 6-inch piece. Oh, using a mixer with the RCA jacker coming out from the deck and the headphone jacks right here. RCA jack, headphone jack here, and using a crossover, three-way crossover audio pipe and the bass booster is for the 12-inch, the 6-inch. But for the I got a now I power this from the 25 watts deck running from the RCA jack here to the mixer and the headphone jack, and I put speaker wires into this three-way crossover audio pipe and a bass booster for the 6-inch. I got a 6-inch and 12-inch box, 210 panel and one sound barrier. I power the deck with this little adapter 12 volts DC 3 amp. Six-inch in that 12-inch box. We got 210 pounds.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.